How to restart your iPhone 14. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can restart your iPhone 14. So this method will work for all of the iPhone 14 such as the iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Plus and the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And even if you don't have the iPhone 14, it will still work on older iPhones such as the iPhone 11, iPhone 12, 13, etc. So without any further delay, let us begin. So there are basically two ways on how you can restart your iPhone. The first one is the normal way or the default way, which is simply long press on the volume down or the volume up button and the power button simultaneously until you get to this space where you'll have to first of all turn off or shut down your phone and then manually turn on your iPhone. Now that was the basic way on how you can restart your phone, but let's say you want to automatically restart your iPhone. So there is one way on how you can do that. That is simply go to settings, after that go to accessibility, after that touch. Now turn on assistive touch and then this type of pop-up will appear. Now even if you tap on it, nothing will happen as the custom actions is not set. So simply tap on the option single tap and then tap on the option open menu. Now whenever you open this, the menu will be opened. Now you'll have to tap on the option devices, after that tap on the option three dots and there you can see the option restart. Simply tap on it and then it will ask you whether you are sure you want to restart your iPhone. Simply tap on it and now your iPhone will be restarted automatically. So that is basically how you restart your iPhone 14 or any other older iPhones. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.